Two-factor authentication is a way to add an extra level of security when you log in into your Reddit account. And in this tutorial, we are going to show you how to activate two-factor authentication in Reddit. If you want to learn more about 2FA or two-factor authentication, please check this playlist on this YouTube channel. Remember, you cannot activate two-factor authentication in the Reddit app itself. So you'll have to shift to the Reddit web version so that you can activate two-factor authentication. So while you are in your Reddit web account, you need to click on the profile icon on top of your application. You need to click on the settings. After getting on the settings, you need to click on the scroll down and you will get the two-factor authentication. You'll click on it and then I'll input my password. Use the get a token to enter manually. If you are not using I'll copy this code. If you are not using a computer, just copy this. Use a key instead. So go to your authenticator. For me, I use Google Authenticator. After logging in, what you can see is a black screen because Google Authenticator doesn't allow screenshotting or screen recording. So I'll call it my account and then I'll paste in the key and then I'll add. After that, go and then okay, let me get the key right. 469 463. Complete setup. Okay, so I've just received a notification that you are two-factor authentication. You are two-factor authenticated. Next time you'll need to log in. There's all that. That means that my account is very secure. No hacker can get into my account without my authorization. And that's it. It's that simple. For more productivity tips and tutorials, follow us.